welcome to the second Small Business Friday, so that you can use the benefits of taking your businesses online and drive real business results. And of course, here comes Small Business Friday.
The expertise and tools you need to thrive in the digital age.
Introducing our keynote speaker, Tricia Coosal, the 65th president of the Trinidad and Tobago Manufacturers Association.
Out this strategy in 4 points, which I hope you will take and make your own. The principles of the strategy are: 1. Seek to control your sphere of orbit. 2. Reframe adversity. 3. Embrace and experiment with new ideas. And 4. Focus on finding joy.
A really outstanding address.
Now join us in a conversation with Solange Richardson. She is the founder and CEO of Soul, Beauty for the Soul.
Have you been able to use digital tools and technologies in the day-to-day running of your business?
Well, I kept in constant contact with my clients. So I created manicure kits, I created pedicure kits.
Right.
I actually had a live session in the salon and I had all my apparatus hooked up.
Take part in our breakout workshops and elevate your hustle. These 4 interactive sessions are each led by a subject matter expert to provide small business owners with the expertise they need to make the most of digital tools and technologies for the benefit of their business.
Why is the data important? Well, number 1, it allows you to understand your audience. Number 2, the data is important because it allows you to keep an eye on the competition. Number 3, the data is important because it allows you to model the industry leaders. You are finally able to craft the content that is based on what your audience is actually struggling with.
As a company, we are motivated to expand and understand what it is, numerous ways of how our core services, all the core services that we offer, create prospects for socio-economic growth. So we want to help connect your customers with your brand.